Poppy K and her weekly vlogs, shopping, reading and her monologues. Poppy K and her weekly vlogs. Poppy K, subscribe, like, comment and share.
Well, hello. I have been MIA. Well, I haven't really. If you'd have gone over to Vagrants on vacation, you would have seen what we've been up to. Obviously, we've been on holiday. The week before that, I had some family stuff to do, but I'm back to vlogging. Just getting all washing done and getting all organised and whatnot. I'll link, if you want to have a look and see, I've got the playlist. I'll link the playlist of our holiday so you can pop on over there. Give us a like, give us a subscribe over there. It would be amazing. We do stuff like days out, and we're going to be doing days out, not just locally, but kind of everywhere we go, all over the country. We're going to be doing holidays, all that sort of thing, you know. So we just have a laugh over there. So if you want to go over and have a look and see what that's all about, then that would be amazing. Yeah, so as I say, we've been on holiday, I'm back at work next week, so I thought I'd better get my vlogs back, get myself back to reality. What else have we been doing? We went to Oxford the other day. I've got that vlog to edit for over the other channel. We went to the Ashmolean Museum. It was really, really interesting. Really good. If you've never been to Oxford anyway, I think definitely a must visit city. Get the hop on, hop off bus, that sort of thing. Go to the Ashmolean Museum. There's churches. There's loads of great little independent coffee shops and cafes and stuff. Go punting, you know, that sort of thing. So we did that, and then the rest of the week, once we've got back from holiday, we've just been sort of sorting out washing and housework and stuff like that. And we're picking up a new car as well, so we've got that to do. But yeah, so that's what's been happening with me. Nothing serious, just having a break. So back to it. I'm just, as I say, I'm editing our podcast that is a podcast on Spotify, and we also film it, so then you can watch it too. So I'm just doing that, and I'm going to go and get myself a cup of tea in a minute and maybe a spot of lunch. So I will see you in a bit.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love. Sometimes life will push you down, make you fall onto the ground. But I know you will turn it around. Oh, this is all we got. And I know you'll make mistakes, get interference and lose your way. Find the light when it rains. All we got. Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. Show me light, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me light, show me love. This is all we got. Show me light, show me love. This is all we got. 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 Show me love. Show me life. Show me love. This is all we got.
I'm just in bed at the minute, and I've just started this book by Laura Thalassa, and it's called Rhapsodic, and it's about a siren and fae and stuff like that. And I'm only on page 23, chapter 3 at the minute. I'm loving it. It's great. I don't know whether it's as saucy as her other books, the Four Horsemen, which I've still got. I've read the first two, Pestilence and War. I've got the other two to read yet. So, but I thought I'd give this a go. So, yeah, that's where I am. Book 1 in the Darkly Hypnotic Bargainer series. So, we shall see. But, yeah. We are going tomorrow, I think, to the Black Country Museum. So that should be good. So we were going to go out tonight, but then we decided we'd go to the Black Country Museum. So that's what we're doing. And I'm just going to watch a little bit of TV, and then I'm going to go to bed, and then Well, hello. Well, as you can see, we didn't go to the Black Country Museum. We ended up going bowling instead. And we were going to go for an all-you-can-eat Chinese, but we didn't. We ended up going to... Is it Ask? I think it's Ask. Italian place, anyway. In Merry Hill. So, yeah, that was basically what happened this week. The weather isn't that great. I've got my... Just come over here. I still haven't finished this. In fact, I'm still on chapter 3 because I haven't picked it up since the last time I spoke to you. So next week, hopefully I shall have this finished. And I think there's 4 books. I might have a few more finished. So I'm going to try and get a little bit of reading in while the weather is very inclement. Yeah, that's it for this week's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you next week. You have yourselves a great day. And thanks for watching. Bye!